What's up, everybody? Over the past few weeks, I've been wheeling and dealing on Marketplace, and I got a set of 20x12s, negative 44 offset, and then some Aturo tires. So let's take a closer look at what's going on in the setup. So these Aturo tires are Trailblade Boss, and then the tire size, a 375 5520 8-ply. And basically what this means is the tire is roughly like 36.5 inches tall and then 14.25 inch wide. And if you look down the side of the truck, tires kind of stick out 4 to 5 inches past the body line. And for clearance, for the back, we clear both bed sides. So under load, you won't really touch. And then for the front, at full lock, we barely rub the bottom of this metal fender in the back side right here. And on the front side, the wheel arch, we had to trim and cut this plastic valance. So the valance would typically hang out around here, go straight down. So we did a little slice cut. And then we did have to cut a little bit more plastic liner on the inside. So moving to the driver's side, same deal in the front, a little slice cut, a little trimming. And then for the back, we have about 1/2 inch clearance between the bottom of this metal fender and the tire at full lock. So the truck is on a 6-inch BDS long arm lift kit with 2-inch blocks in the back. And we'll take a quick walk around. And I believe the wheels, they're a Moto metal, so a little bit cheaper, but they look pretty good. Black and milled look. I just waxed these wheels, clay barred and waxed them. So next time I clean them, they'll look brand new again when they get dirty. All right, I'm just gonna turn the truck on and show you guys the clearance. Turning the wheel. So you go all the way left. So that's full lock right there. You got like 1/2 inch gap. Clear the fender right there. Now let me go rotate it the other way. That's full lock right there. So might need a little bit more trimming. The front right there on the driver's side. In the back, like I said, with full lock, it's really close. So it basically touches the bottom of the fender right there.